minute more than 2:30. Let's start. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start, let's we say Bismillah, Basmalah bersama-sama. Okay, today is our second lab. Actually, we already performed one first lab. It's about productivity. Now it's about work measurement. Okay, this lab actually is important for you to understand, to measure like standard time, cycle time, and so forth. Yeah. So in this lab, the same like before. I got the information and announcement from our university that we cannot do face to face until now. Yeah, because maybe some of your student, some of your friend, yeah, the student had got COVID, positive COVID. So we got the instruction to do all activity in our university using online platform. All right, so it's okay, no problem. Later I will try to arrange again if possible. Later I will inform to you. Okay, actually today is about the work measurement in industry. Yeah, I just give you a brief about what is the work measurement. When I think last time we learned about what is that? The previous is also about work measurement, right? Standard time, yeah, cycle time, and so forth. So in industry, yeah, work measurement is very important to know the productivity of one operator, something like that. Yeah? Because kalau dari when we see in based on the language work measurement, we measure our work, our job, how much we can do the job, maybe per minute, maybe per hour, and so forth. Okay, I will read to you the synopsis of this lab. This lab activity will enrich students' knowledge on the work measurement. Students are exposed to conduct work measurement, time study to get cycle time for assembling a product, and analyze and recommend better method of assembling product to improve cycle time. Okay, in this lab, we will use this actually. We will use the what is that? Pack namanya. Di sini sebut apa? Penjepit. Di sini sebut in this lab sheet we call it a pack. Yeah, cloth pack. Yeah, cloth pack. Actually, in this lab, we need to assembly this cloth pack. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Ini kalau jepit bibir sakit nih. When I was high school, we play this, we play card, and then who get lost get this nya, dijepit pakai ini. Saya tahu lah kenapa guna penjepit. Kok banyak patahnya? Ya, wait. I try to find the best one. Banyak yang patah. Oh, patah semua. Apa nih? Student sebelumnya makan. Ini yang cantik satu. Okay, ya. When you see the lab sheet here, yeah, I will inform to you the assessment criteria is almost the same. Yeah, this is the point: ability to implement the knowledge. Yeah, based on your theory, you can understand what is the work measurement is, and then ability to communicate. Okay, distribution of tasks among members means you deliver the in this lab. I will share to you the data only. Yeah? I already get the data, and then you will analyze and make sure your friend member get the same distribution tasks. Yeah, because if some of your friend is not working, is not do anything, they don't do anything, so you can inform me. I will keep secret, don't worry. All right, don't be jealous. We need to make an equal task distribution. Okay, and also please use the report using standard format. I already shared to you the guideline, right? and then proper grammar use and easy to understand. And then you can use the very simple sentence, yeah, to make me understand and read your report. Yeah. Proper method to calculate standard time. Maybe you can refer the book, yeah, how to calculate the standard time. Proper method to calculate improve standard time. Okay, when for the improvement, I also give the data. Yeah. Later I will show you the data. Yeah. I will show you the data. Don't worry. Okay, next. Uh, Rating factor and allowance explanation. Okay, you need to calculate the rating factor. I think in the book, yeah, you can open the book page number rating factor. Huh? The example is number number 68. Yeah, 68. You can try to read it. Okay, and then the outcome. Yeah, the output can be accurately and clearly presented. Please make a simple and easy to me to check your result. And the last in the discussion, okay, discussion is about to discuss the obtained result about work improvement and rating and allowance. So in this year, maybe because of I just give you the data, yeah, just give you the data. You in your mind, it's also actually this one is not so difficult. Sorry, my face is not here. Nanti wajah handsome tak nampak. Handsome lah, ada laku, jangan risau. Okay, apa ya? Okay, okay, okay. In this lab actually uh, the lab is not so difficult. It's just to analyze the time, yeah, analyze and calculate. This is not like a physics. This is not like physics lab. This is only to measure your time and you know how to calculate. That is the most important in this lab. Okay, where in this lab I just share to you the data. So the data should be analyzed based on the instruction in this lab sheet. Yeah. And then conclusion. Please make the to conclude the understanding on the correlation between work system design productivity based on result and discussion. So on time for report submission. Okay, the report should be not late than my 1 week, and not late than 1 week. We use answer in English and support. Okay. Okay, the theory here we will use work design, yeah, work method, work measurement, and time study. You can open the book, yeah. Please read the book, yeah, because this book is very important because this one is very simple to understand. When you read other textbook, yeah, it's quite a lot, but the main idea, intipati dia, main idea of industrial engineering can be learned from this. This is the simple thing that you can learn easily, yeah. And then the our equipment here today is the clutch page, yeah, clutch page, clutch pack, penjepit baju. And then metal pins is inside of this, yeah. I open. This one is metal pins, yeah. So we have three kind, yeah, three instrument, three part, yeah. Part one, part two, and then you combine it become one. All right, and then you put the pin side, and then yeah, you calculate the time only like that. You know, yeah, when the worker or employee do the same thing, yeah, do the same thing in same department, not change that I informed to you before. The it become habit, and maybe the work become faster, and then the productivity become improved. It need time for some worker. They don't need to do what is that? training. But if the the unproductive person, the unproductive worker, if we already do training, still the result is not so good, so we need to make consider to give them some like what is that improvement lah, or change to another department, or maybe you can stop the worker if still not possible to improve the productivity. Okay, plastic storage as needed, but today I just show to you the data. Work measurement, okay, procedure and methodology. Jadi di sini you need to select. You have 4 member, right? Maybe in this lab, you need to distribute your job. Yeah, the leader of your in each member need to deliver the what is it the scope of work of each member. For example, in this lab, you need to measure. This is the yeah. Okay, we can read it together. Okay, the other group will member will act as the timekeeper and data recorder. So this one is no needed, no need. Yeah. Ask the operator to perform cloth page assembly and record the time assembly until 10 cloth page. So in this lab, actually in actual lab, we need to calculate 10 cloth page. Yeah. This one, yeah. 10 cloth page, but with the rating performance different, yeah. The information of rating performance is 90%, yeah, 100%, 110%, 120, and so forth. So based on our previous lecture, right? If below 100, what is the meaning? If the more than 100, what is the meaning? You need to learn. You need to read it again, yeah. Okay, here, yeah. Use 90%, 100%, 110%, 120% for operator, 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. So we have 4 operator. Yeah? You need to make for operator rating performance, performing the plastic cloth bag assembly. Use 10% allowance factor, yeah, for each operator doing the task. So you use 10%, yeah. Determine the standard time for cloth pack assembly. Use the time study sheet provided to record your work measurement. So this one is no need here because I already give you the data. Explore the work method approach in order to improve the cloth pack assembly the standard time. Use the time study sheet provided to record your data and to improve a work method. Establish a work instruction, a work standard for close spec assembly process. Okay, this is the result. You need to present the calculation of standard time for close page adapter assembly based on the experiment performed in laboratory. So it's been you just calculate the standard time, yeah, because we already get the data. Okay, the discussion. Okay, based on your standard time data calculation, calculate how many cloth peg could be assembled within 8 hours. Yeah, you can open the book. Yeah, how to calculate it. From your data, determine whether 10 observations data are enough to calculate the standard time. Okay, if not, how many observation data are required in order to get an accurate standard time. Discuss a better approach to perform the job in order to improve the productivity of the close page. So after that, you based on the data I give to you, and then you need to make what is it the revision, yeah, to improve the productivity. The productivity mean to make the assembly faster, yeah? In this case, to make the assembly become faster. Maybe the position of the code page, maybe, yeah. Maybe you need to arrange each part, yeah. Maybe you need to arrange the color and so forth. Yeah? The performance, the performance rating of a worker will affect the standard time. What is the performance rating? You need to discuss, yeah. What factors are needed to consider in determining performance rating? How to improve worker performance rating? When calculating standard time, we need to add allowance factor for the worker doing the job. What is the meaning of that allowance factor? Explain three factors needed to be considered in determining the allowance factor. This is only for the explanation, ya. Ini adalah explain dari makna-makna, explain three factor. Jadi apa saja yang mempengaruhi allowance factor, ya. Associate the importance of worker measurement with work method in a work system design to determine the best standard time for the plastic clothes. Okay, and then the last is conclude your finding why work measurement is important in productivity measurement and improvement. Yeah, and then give your suggestion idea on how work method improvement for plastic clothes for pack assembly kit is important to improve the standard time. Jadi intipati daripada conclusion nanti tu, you need to answer this question, and also if you can add some additional conclusion based on your what is that, your reading and so forth, maybe you can put it in conclusion, yeah? Right, and then also don't forget to reference, yeah. I think I already give to you the what is that I share to you the report format guideline. Cover report also you need to put, yeah, you use the cover report. Okay, I already give to you this, and please follow it. And then the data, yeah, let we see the data. Right. Okay, we have four calculation, yeah, four calculation. So in this lab, maybe you can divide each calculation for each member. Yeah. For example, here operator 1 is for first member. Yeah. Don't forget the rating factor is 90%. Okay. And this is the process of the job element. Yeah. Job element mean the activity each is process when you assembly this cloth pack. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, starting from the pick up the cloth pack and then joining, contoh ya, saya beri contoh. Ya. Nih, this is only simple example for you, ya. Actually in the real industry it will be more than this the element, ya. For example, pick up the cloth pack. Okay, this one is 2, ya. You take it, yeah, based on the color, and then you put it together. This is the pick up the cloth pack, and joining it together, the second one like this, joining the cloth pack, and then pick up the cloth pack, angkat dia, ya, angkat, kemudian you assembly, okay, you join the what's that, the pin inside, okay, and then you do testing again. Okay, this is working properly, and then you put. Okay, after that, you just need to calculate each time, yeah. One, okay, for the clutch pack 1, okay, for the pick up 1 second, yeah, this one I think using second, just pick up and then joining together 5, yeah, pick up in 4 second, assembly 6 second, and then testing is 2 second. Okay, this is only the data, example data, yeah. Okay, operator 1 for member 1, yeah, calculate the average of it. Maybe you can use your Excel to calculate this. And then R value, you can calculate using Excel also. You can use the calculation. If you can also use manual, and then you attach your calculation based on the formula and detailed calculation. If possible, you can put detailed calculation, not only Excel. That is much better. Yeah, and then you can put PR performance rating there. Yeah, and then EF and NT and so forth. Yeah, in this book also you can calculate. You can see the material. Oh, okay, for the what's that? For the slide, I will share to you slide 1 until slide 5, right? Until today. Yeah. Today, for the class, I will please open Ulearn. Yeah. Anyone can open Ulearn, and then you can see this one. I already make a video record for you. Okay, and then you can watch, and please watch from the first until the end. Yeah, from the first until the end, and then like normal, I will give you share to you one quiz. That quiz is a simple quiz, yeah, for your attendance, like, yeah, like usual. Then I will match your quiz, yeah, and this auto record in this Webex. Like anyone cannot join, maybe let me know, yeah. If anyone cannot join, let inform me if you have any problem, family issues or banjir ke flooding. Just let me know, yeah. Okay, operator one for member one, operator two for member two, operator three and member three, and operator four. So this is the formula, normal time, the calculation of normal time, standard time, okay, factor R, factor R, and also you can see factor R here. When the factor R you got the factor R is between, for example, 0.23, yeah. So it's between 0.2 and 0.3, yeah. Maybe you can refer the book for the calculation, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think for the lab, uh, the main idea here is you understand. I just inform you the main idea here. You understand what is the work measurement and how to calculate standard time, and also to propose the procedure to increase the productivity. Ya, kalau kita tahu ya, work measurement nih dia ada kaitan dia dengan the correlation with the time measurement, ya, standard time, normal time, and so forth. Okay, and then you can calculate it. I think this one is not so difficult, but if you don't try, it will be difficult. So in here, you just calculate the result. This is like same like exercise, but you need to follow the procedure to make the report. Ada any question? Please let me know, any question. Apa yang ada terjejas banjir? Anyone yang ada problem dengan banjir tak? Ada ya, alhamdulillah. Ada. Adilkah, apa kabar? Ainun, Natasha. Oh, Ainun, Natasha dua. Ainun, Natasha, can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alif Hakim, I will randomly. Cheong, can you hear me, Cheong?
Stop there.
Okay, tomorrow is holiday for the Bali, right?
Yes.
Anyone merayakan di Bali ya? Ada. Logen Taran, can you hear me?
And
Tomorrow you celebrate Deepavali, right?
yes.
Ya. Selamat berkumpul dengan family ya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Apa lagi nih? Lagi. Oke lah. So based on the apa namanya hari cuti-cuti agama nih, yang paling seronok tuh berkumpul dengan keluarga. Selamat berkumpul dengan keluarga dan terus jaga kesehatan jadi SOP. Saya rasa pun sekarang kita punya apa punya angka positif pun dah menurun lah. Berapa sekarang case tahu? Dah semak tak? Statistik 5.000 naik lagi 5.071.
Masih banyak doktor.
Rasa tuh dulu 400 pun dah terkejut dah 400. Kini udah beribu-ribu dah, dulu sampai sempat 14.000. Pas sempat 17.000 kalau tak silap. Ada apa-apa pertanyaan tak? Santi, saya nak ya. If you do this better for your lab test will be easy for you. So please do it. Yeah, please do it. Please distribute the what is that? The task equally ya. Bagi rata, lepas tu lab report tu kalau saya cadangkan lepas you buat semua, after you make it all, please read it from the first. It can be understood or not. Read one by one. I will read, yeah, I will read it, and then I will give. If you have a good opinion, good argumentation in the discussion, is very good for you. Yeah. In the abstract also, I will read. Okay, I think, and don't forget, yeah, submit it by group is enough. Yeah, submit it by the group, and uh, and then submit it on time. Yeah. Don't be late. It become problem to in Yulan will be detect. If you late, it will be red. Dia akan nampak merah. Okey. Sila.
Pukul 5 hari ni ada kelas ke?
Pukul 5 hari ni ada kelas macam biasa, cuma dia saya buat dalam record lah. Sebab hari ni saya dari pagi saya mengajar agak letih. Jadi kalau ada lab, saya prefer yang I prefer do the class by record, but that is my video, yeah, not on other video. I record by myself. But if we have any lab, so I will teach you by face to face. And if you have any question for the previous slide or my record, you don't understand, you can ask me during the face to face. It's okay. Yeah. Okay lah. Jadi kalian pun boleh rehat untuk saya. Tapi kalian rehat bukan saja rehat, kalian kena dengar betul-betul, kalian kena ini ya, saya bagi tahu, kena tanggung jawab masing-masing. Dengar tuh jangan kena paksa untuk tonton video, tapi memang awareness, peduli, memang nak dapat ilmu, itu yang lebih bagus. Kalian senang dengan IE ini, ilmunya nanti akan lekat. But if you feel tak suka semua kalau tak suka akan jadi tak cantik ya, tak bagus. Kalau kita tak suka dulu pelajaran kalkulus, dia punya result tak cantik, tak bagus. Tapi kalau kita suka, jangan macam tu lah, you dengan your boyfriend saja atau your girlfriend, you don't like, you tak suka dengan dia, lama-lama memang tak, perjalanan rumah tangga tak akan cantik nanti, bergaduh terus. Apalagi dipaksa orang tua, bergaduh terus lah. Oke ya, nanti apa namanya, kalau ada apa-apa pertanyaan beritahu saya.
Baik, dokter.
Ada Nurain Firzana, ada pertanyaan Kak Nurain? Ada? Coba sekali-kali saya siapa yang ada video tolong hidupkan, saya nak screenshot lah.
Ya.
Siapa yang ada video boleh nampak wajah